Hello Cobus and Vivian, this is my second video. Now I have sort of tried to illustrate a Lofosan war. Okay, if I take it back it's gonna take a long. Let me see, but I'm just gonna try to be fast. Alright, I just wanted to show you, like, take some time. Just wanted to show you, how the Lofosan is gonna sort of support this existing one. Okay, it can't go any further. It has ended here. But basically, what I did after that, this is the old wall that is made of bricks. This is the existing one. I mean, alright, this is the existing wall. Alright, this is the existing wall, and what we're basically gonna do is to fill up in front of the wall. We could either take sort of a meter or 2 meters or anything between of a gap before we start the footing, to leave a gap from the new foundation of the this wall and the backfill. But that empty space is gonna need to be actually filled up with the backfill all the way to the top, going up 4 meters. So what I'm gonna do, I was thinking that it's gonna take me all the way to the back, so I'm just gonna speed it up to get to the completion where we see the wall has been built. It has supported, it has preserved the existing wall, and you see that is the only way to make this to preserve this wall from collapsing. That's what I've suggested as a contractor, so experienced in this industry. We've see so many walls collapsing, so we just need to sort of change it entirely. So we see that this is actually the look of the Lofosan wall that we are going to build to support and preserve the existing brick wall that has cracked, that has developed so many cracks, that is if the process of cracking continues, it's probably showing that you see the ultimate or the actually what will happen eventually is that the wall will collapse. So what I've done is to build put this in illustration, building a wall that is going to be in front of this, so the distance between is why we're going to have to backfill. I could sort of highlight it further, but what I need to highlight in this is just to highlight the video, the backfill that is going to be behind the wall and behind the Lofosan wall and in front of the existing brick wall. Alright, so yeah, I've just done that. Okay, so you see this is these lines here, if you can see them, this is where the wall it's now under, and we've raised the ground with the backfill. Alright, no, don't worry, this is the backfill area, we've backfilled it. So this is the Lofosan, holding the backfill, providing enough, strong enough to support the existing wall. So now I've already taken down the measurements for this side, for the front side, and for this side as well. So I'm talking about this side as well. So it's just that my drawing, I don't know what happened here. I think I didn't want to it's fine, but it's just a sketch up anyway. If I fix that, it's gonna take a couple of minutes anyway. But the main important is that the idea has been illustrated on paper. This is our Lofosan wall that has been built in front of the existing to support it. I can assure this is the permanent solution, because this wall here, if you actually build it and according to my sketch, another sketch of a cross section like this one here. Alright, this is, and if you put draining pipes and we backfill, and so now this is gonna be sort of the existing wall. This line here that is zigzagged, that is stepping down, we're assuming that this is gonna be, well, I don't want to do this for the bank. Now this is gonna be the existing wall, so it's gonna get supported with the backfill that is gonna be compacted to maximum density. We compact, and this is gonna be the wall, the Lofosan wall with the interlock retainer blocks that SABS approved, that report has so much cement in it, with the strength that can last without crumbling for the many, I would say lifetime, 100 years to come. Okay, so that's what you need to take into consideration. I've ruled out that actually idea of putting columns in to support the existing wall. That doesn't work. We have spent so much, we are always in the field, we are always interacting with the homeowners, we are always actually providing solutions to collapse walls, to the banks that are actually giving, to landslides and stuff like that. So what I've suggested now is actually the solution. So in my other song, if I get enough time, I would like to sort of deciding. I've already told Jacobus that we probably need to sort of cut the bank. If we sort of just demolishing the wall entirely and build some terraces, we build two retaining walls, one in front of another. The one is going to be closer, that's going to be in front, that is going to be 2 meters high, and the other one is going to be also 2 meters high, and that is going to also help us to avoid actually cutting costs in actually the amount of all the materials, especially the backfill that you're going to need. So yeah, I'm sure if you take a look at this video, it has a bit of an idea of what I was proposing. Alright, so once again, I would like to thank you so much for watching. So if I get a chance, I'm probably going to do a last drawing, and then the last thing will be to sort of present my advising on cost, and I will then hear from you. Thank you so much for listening.